Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, what we're doing is showing you guys how to grow in kind of like a greenhouse, starting the seeds. I'm in the shed here. So, what's going to happen is I'm going to grow these two different types of tomato, or peppers, one here, and then two. And then I'm going to grow tomatoes. I think I'm going to videotape and show you guys the tomatoes really quick. Beefsteak and brandywine was what I believe I'm going to grow. I got other ones, of course, but I think that's what I'm going to grow this year. I might put something else. I got Big Boy. I got a few other types of tomatoes. I might grow those later, but I'm just going to start these. Today is 82 degrees. There's a high, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty windy, but it's really nice out. But tomorrow is supposed to be the high of 56, and the rest of the week, I think Thursday night or Friday night is supposed to be the low of like 31. So it's kind of weird. It's the 31st of March, so kind of weird how the weather is. But it will get very hot very soon. So that's what I'm going to do, is grow these. Now, I usually start everything in the pots, tomato-wise. Anything else, I usually just grow just put them directly in the ground. I think what I'm going to grow this year is tomatoes, peppers, of course potatoes, and probably some beans and carrots. And that's really it, because my grandparents died both last year, and I don't really have nothing else. No one else eats anything that I grow. My granddad, he grew a huge ass garden last year. I didn't even grow tomatoes or anything because of the amount of stuff he grew. He grew over 100 pounds of sweet potatoes out of 6 plants. I think I'm going to grow the same ones in the same spot that he grew them, I guess just to, honor him. He was so happy that he got all them sweet potatoes. It was a bunch. I filled the truck up, literally. I wish I had pictures of them. I didn't take pictures of everything. If I have some pictures of the things, I'll put them in the end. If I can. I don't think I have any pictures though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them out here, and how I'm gonna do it is how I do it. My way might be different than everyone else's way. I don't have them with me. If I do, I don't know. I think they're still at the house. It might be in one of these packages. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write on a stick the name of it. What I'm going to do just for this is this row is going to be beefsteak tomatoes, and then I'm going to put seeds in each one. I'll show you guys one area. Now, the biggest thing that me and my granddad always differed on is how I do it and how he did it. I only put one tiny seed in each thing. Now usually I grow, when I was in high school and stuff, I used to grow 50, 60 tomatoes a season on the high and low end 30 tomatoes. So I just buried that not even a quarter of an inch under the ground, or probably less than that. And then I'm just going to do it all through that. What he always did is if he did it outside especially, he did 3 in a hill, and then he would just rip the 2 baby ones off. I don't do that. Never have. I think it's a waste of seeds, especially if you don't have much. If you don't have much seeds, I didn't put much dirt in that. So that whole thing's planted, and then I'm gonna go with these. Now these right here, they say they're organic, which is fun. Technically, everything I grow is organic. I know it's not certified or doesn't meet probably the recommendations of the farmers markets, but organic means no pesticides, and I never use any pesticides. I have some videos I'm going to make this summer of showing you guys how I do a few things. The biggest problem, I think, in the South, and probably anywhere, is weeds, but the second biggest problem is bugs, and I've got in control of the weed problem that we had, but the bug problem I got in control of. I found ways to do things, mainly organic. Sometimes you have to throw some 7 dusts. A couple years I had to, because the bugs were so bad. But that's how I do it. And I'm just going to go down the thing. I'm going to post this. Today is the 31st. I'm going to post this probably on Tuesday. I know I skipped this Tuesday. And then I'm just going to show you every 2 weeks, like when they pop up, I'm going to show you guys them. And if for some reason one row doesn't pop up, I'll put a new seed there. If I decide to grow any more in the pots, any kind of other peppers, I think I got some bell peppers over here somewhere. I believe I do. I might not. Oh yeah, I do. I got bell peppers. I got bell peppers. I might grow a couple of those. Like 2. I might do 2, something like that, because we really don't eat peppers. My mother likes those. When I grew these the first year, I grew 2 plants, and literally every 3 to 4 days, I had a Walmart bag, if not more, full of peppers. I was giving them away to anyone that would take them at my grandma's church at Taekwondo because we had so many peppers. So, I think that's that of the video. That's how these couple videos are going to be that I'm going to produce. I'm going to finish out doing that, and then I'm going to post this probably Tuesday, and then give me a couple weeks, and I will show you guys them coming up. They usually take 10 to 12 days, depending on the weather and, you know, the humidity, the water, all that stuff. How I would do the water is I will just use a water bottle and just pour a little bit, sprinkle a little bit of water every day over it when they need it. And based on the humidity today, they don't need the light. They really don't. They're going to sit on this table for now, and I'll probably move them over there to the other table when I clean it off. And if I need to, I'll put them over the light. So, that is that. You guys have a great day. I will see you guys later.